If you're still relying on outdated strategies and waiting months to see your first dollar online, it's time to switch to something that actually delivers. Welcome back. I'm Adam and Froy, and today I'm giving you another direct look into the real daily earnings generated by the Adsterra loading method. Take a close look at the live stats on display. We are consistently hitting a guaranteed minimum of $100 every single day, starting from the very first day you launch it. No waiting periods, no warm-up cycles, and no trial and error phase. One of the biggest advantages of this system is its extreme simplicity. You do not need a high-end computer, specialized hardware, or expensive technical setups. The bot runs flawlessly on any standard device. Furthermore, you don't even need to build or maintain a website. All you need is your Adsterra direct link, and you are ready to start generating real revenue immediately. I believe in complete transparency and straightforward pricing. The complete Adsterra loading method bot is available for a one-time fee of just $250. There are absolutely no hidden charges, no surprise fees, and zero additional investments required. Once you own it, it's yours for life without any recurring costs. Payments are simple and global, accepted directly through Binance, USDT, and Payout. If you are skeptical, I completely understand. The market is flooded with fake claims, which is why I back my words with proof. If you want to verify these results before purchasing, reach out to me directly. I will hop on a live AnyDesk session with you, log into my official Adsterra account, and show you everything in real time with zero edits. It's time to stop guessing and start building a reliable stream of daily income. Contact me today to grab your copy of the Adsterra loading method and take your earnings to the next level. All contact details are available in the description below.